Hi everyone, good day. I am Lourdes B. Palaran and today I will be going to deliver a monologue. Life isn't it a beautiful, messy, chaotic tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, triumph and defeat. I used to think I was immune to the struggles, that I was somehow different. But then, life happened. As I remember, 3 years ago, I have experienced depression. I was very disappointed in life due to the failures and the wrong decisions that I made. I always questioned my worth, my purpose, and my very existence. And I think I wasn't good enough. I always blame myself, and it seems like the future is uncertain. I really feel the weight of the world pressing down on my shoulder. The constant struggle, and the never-ending cycle of worry and fear. And until such time, I wanted to give up and I wanted to end my life. I saw a Bible in our house that time, and I tried to open it. And as I read in the book of Jeremiah, chapter 29, verse 11, it was stated there that, "For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Those words echoed the cry of my soul. I was in the deeps, the darkest deeps, and I was calling out to God, and He answered me. Slowly, a glimmer of hope began to shine, a new perspective and a renewed faith. I started to pray, to pour out my heart to God, and I clung to His promises, believing that He would see me through, and He did. Miracles began to unfold, unexpected opportunities arose. People came forward to help me, offering support and encouragement. As it was God orchestrating a symphony of grace, restoring my life piece by piece. I experienced the truth that God says to me, "Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, and I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." This is one of my living testimony to the power of faith and the love of God. I have emerged from the darkness stronger and more resilient than ever before. I have learned that even in the darkest hours, hope endures. Even in the deepest valleys, God's grace abounds. God never leave me nor forsake me as well. I also discovered that my struggles were not in vain. They will shaping me, mold me for who I am today. So I urge you, do not lose hope and do not give up. Keep your faith strong and your heart open, and your eyes fixed on the promises of God, for He is the source of all hope, the giver of all strength, and the author of our life story. Every situation may be not pleasant, but we know that no matter what we are facing, we never face it alone. Remember that the one who stands with us is God, is bigger and stronger than the obstacles around us. Thank you for listening, and God bless.